When assembling your frame, you'll install it upside down. It works best to use the foam blocks that are around your panel assembly to protect and support the rails. Each rail is marked with a D or P designation. The D is for your driver rail, and the P is for passenger, so you know which side is which. The rail bolts will be to the inside when set up correctly. We've moved the rails apart from each other, roughly the width of your front rail crosspiece. The next step, you want to grab the bag that has the RC brackets in it. It's a good idea to only open one pouch at a time. We'll start with installing your RC brackets. Grab the one with the silver quick release clip, and this one goes on the passenger side. Fit it over the rail bolt, and when putting it in, make sure that it sits squarely in the rail. We'll repeat the process on the driver's side, putting the bracket over the rail stud, and again, making sure that the bracket sits squarely in the rail. Next, we'll add the black spacer washers. Place these over the rail studs on both the passenger and driver's side. Next, we'll install your rail crosspiece. You'll want to make sure that the 90-degree bend is to the inside of the frame. We'll lift this up and slip it over one of the rail studs, making sure that when you put this down, that the inside fuzzy seal is laying outward and not pinched underneath the rail crosspiece. Then take your 1/4-inch nylock nut and just hand tighten it only. We'll then repeat the process on the other side. Again, making sure that the inner rail seal is laying outward, and then hand tighten the 1/4-inch nylock nut. Then grab your 7/16 socket. Do not use power tools when assembling your Paragon cover. Only use hand tools. Tighten the nut until snug. Do not over tighten. We'll repeat the process on the other side. Again, do not over tighten.